Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we'll do question number 5. In this question, we have to represent the information given in the data with the help of histogram, and we have to observe how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. Here is the table. In this table, there are two columns. First column shows lifetime in hours, and second, number of lamps. There are neon lamps. We show lifetime in hours of lamps. First is 300, 400. There are 14 lamps in this range. 400 to 500. There are 56 lamps. We show lifespan of 400 to 500 hours. 500 to 600. In this there are 60. 600 to 700. In this there are 86. 700 to 800. In this there are 74. 800 to 900. In this lifespan there are 62 lamps, and 900 to 1000. In this range there are 48 lamps. Now we will represent the above data in the form of histogram, which is as for this we have to represent two axes: horizontal axis, x-axis, and y-axis. Y-axis lifetime in hours will present along x-axis, and number of lamps, that is frequency, we will present along y-axis. This is origin. This is first unit: 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. Along y-axis we will present frequencies, taking first unit as 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Now first class shows 300, 400, 14. This is 14. We will present this is 14. This shows 40. 400 to 500 is 56. This is 50. This is 55. This is 56. 56. 56. 400 to 500. Long 400, one vertical line. Long 500, one vertical line. This is 56. 500, 600 is 60. This is 60. This is 60. (600 to 700) is 86. This is 80. This is 90. And here is 86. This is 86. Along this is 86. 86. 700, 800 is 74. This is 74. This is 74. And 800, 900 is 62. This is 60. This is 62. Last is 900, 1000, 48. This is 48. And this is the histogram of the given data. Now from this histogram, we observe that number of lamps having a lifetime of more than 700 hours or 74 plus 62 plus 48. Now from the above histogram, we observe that number of lamps having a lifespan of more than 700 hours are equal to 74 plus 62 plus 48. We have to question number 7. In this question, there are two teams, Team A and Team B. Here are number of balls, starting from 1 to 6, 7 to 12, 13 to 18, 19 to 24, 25 to 30, 31 to 36, 37 to 42, 43 to 48, 49 to 54, 55 to 60. In Team A, there are frequencies 2, 1, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 10, 6, 2. In Team B, there are frequencies 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 3, 4, 8, 10. Now we have to make frequency polygon of both the teams. For this, first we observe that these classes are not continuous. We have to make continuous classes. First, we make the above classes continuous. For this, we have to subtract 0.5 from each lower limit and add 0.5 to each upper limit. We get the above data as and also we have to find class marks. About 0.5 to 6.5, 6.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 18.5, 18.5 to 24.5, 25 to 30.5, 30.5, 36.5, 36.5 to 42.5, 42.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 60.5. This is the continuous class intervals for team A and for team B. 2, 1, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 10, 6, 2. And for team B, there are 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 3, 4, 8, 10. These are frequencies for team B. Now we have to find class marks of each class. First class is 0.5 to 6.5. Class mark of this class will be 0.5 plus 6.5 divided by 2, which will be equal to 3.5. For second class, 9.5. For third class, 15.5. For fourth class, 21.5. For next class, 27.5. For other class, 33.5. For next class, 39.5. For next class, 45.5. For next class, 51.5. And for last class, 57.5. Now we have to represent the frequency polygons for team A and for team B on the same graph, which will be given below. The frequency polygon for team A and team B will be represented as polygons. For frequency polygon, we have to take class markers along x-axis and frequencies along y-axis. This is y-axis. Class marks will be from here. Class mark xi along this axis, and frequencies along y-axis. This is frequency for team A and team B. This is origin, this is -3, this is +3, this is 9, this is 21, this is 27, 33, 39, 45, 51 and 57. Last is 63. We have to represent lower class mark and upper class mark, which is 57.5, which will be located in this. Now we have to plot the points. For team A, we have to plot the points. Plot the points -3, 0, 3.5, 2, 9.5, 1, 15.5, 8, 21.5, 9, 27.5, 4, 33.5 comma 5, 39.5 comma 6, 45.5 comma 10, 51.5 comma 6, 57.5 comma 2, and 14b, we have to plot the points along the axis. We will take units from 1 up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Plot the points. 3.5 comma 2, 3.5 comma 5, 3.5 comma 5, 9.5 comma 6, 15.5 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 21.5 comma 10, 27.5 comma 5, 33.5 comma 6, comma 6, 39.5 comma 3, 45.5 comma 4, 51.5 comma 8, and 57.5 comma 10. We get the frequency polygon. We get the frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. As this. Now we will plot minus 3 comma 0 is here. 3.5 comma 2 we will plot. 3.5 comma 2. This is 3.5. This is 3.5 and this is 2. 3.5 comma 2. 3.5 comma 2. Second is 9.5 comma 1. This is 9.5 comma 1. Here. Second point. Third point is 15.5 comma 8. 15.5 is here, 8 is here. This is 8. This is third point. 5 comma 9. 21.5 is here, 9 is this. 21.5 comma 9. 27.5 comma 4. This is 27.5 comma 4. 4 is here. This is 4. 27.5 comma 4. 33.5 comma 5. 33.5 is here, comma 5. 5 is here. This is 5. 33.5 comma 5. 39.5 comma 6. 39.5 is here, 6 is here. This is 6. 39.5 comma 6. 39.5 comma 6. 45.5 comma 10. This is 40.5 comma 10. 10 is here. This is 45.5 comma 10. 45.5 comma 10. 51.5 comma 6. This is 51.5 comma 6. This is 51.5 comma 6. And last is 57.5 comma 2. 57.5 is here, comma 2 is here. 57.5 comma 2. We will join these by freehand, by line segments. This, after this, after this, after this, and this, and this. This shows frequency polygon for team A. For team A. Now, similarly, we have to represent for team B. Team B is 2,0, this is 2,0, 2,0. Second is 3.5, comma 5. This is 3.5, comma 5. This is second point, 3.5, comma 5. We will join these two by line segment. 3.5, comma 5. 9.5, comma 6. This is 9.5, comma 6. This is second point, 9.5, comma 6. We will join these two. 15.5, comma 2. 15.5 is here, 2 is here. 2 is here. 15.5, comma 2. 15.5, comma 2. And this is joined. 21.5, comma 10. 21.5 is here, 10 is here. 10. 10. 10 is here. 21.5, comma 10. 21.5, comma 10. And this is joined. 27.5, comma 5. 27.5 is here, 7.5, comma 5, and this 10 is here. This is joined. 27.5, comma 5. 33.5, comma 6. This is 33.5, comma 6. 6 is here. This is 6. 6. This is joined. 39.5, comma 3. 39.5 is here, and 3 is here. This is 3. 39.5, comma 3. 39.5, comma. This is joined. 45.5, comma 4. 45.5, comma 4. 4 is here. 4. This is 4. 45.5, comma 4. This is joined. 51.5, comma 8. 51.5, comma 8. 8 is here. 8 is here. Comma 8. This is joined. Last is 57.5 comma 10. 57.5 is here, 10 is here. 7.5 comma 10, and this is joint. This is the frequency polygon for TB. Frequency polygon for time B.